What's up, everybody? This is Corey J from Corey J's Boutique, and today I'm coming to y'all with a video on how to water dye your hair ginger using Kiss Colors Cajun Spice. So the first thing you need to do is boil some water. You're going to need to put that water in some type of container or sink and add some salt to the water. So you're going to add salt to the water so that the color will actually stick to the hair and actually stain it, okay? So this is a wig from Corey J's Boutique. This is a machine weft Closurewig. We're going to start by toning the hair. This is a very important but optional step. I like to tone it so I can get it to be from a yellow to like a white. You'll see it go from a very yellowish blonde to a very white blonde in just a second. And I like that because that makes my canvas plain. That yellow can alter some colors, so I just do that, but it is an optional step. I did use Shimmer Light shampoo on that, but you'll see now how it's really white blonde. So that's, why I do that. Okay, so Cajun Spice from Kiss Colors. I love, 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 love Kiss Colors. Oh my God. Their new line is amazing, so y'all need to get on that. So basically, I'm going to just like saturate the water with 3 bottles of the Kiss Colors. I only showed 2, but I did use 3. I also use just a little bit of Kiss Colors Cinnamon. I did do that. So after I mixed it all together thoroughly, just making sure there's not any like clumps of color still, I then dipped my blonde wig. The blonde wig is from Corey J's Boutique. Again, I dipped my blonde wig in the Cajun Spice slash a tiny bit of cinnamon mixture. And I just swirled it around and played with it, just making sure that the color gets everywhere on the hair, not just on the top, but in between as well. And then you'll see me sit the wig in the color, and I actually left that wig in color the entire day. I did that Sunday morning. I didn't take it out until Sunday at about 11 p.m. And so you'll see how well this color stained and how it stayed now. Ooh, y'all, this color is amazing. I've been waiting to do this. Oh my God, I love the Cajun color on brown hair. When it's bleached, but this watercolor is everything. It is so beautiful. So now I'm just gonna wash it and condition it. And I'll come back to y'all later with the video of me styling. Thank y'all for watching this video. Definitely make sure y'all check out my hair. I do sell wigs. I sell extensions. I color hair. I do everything. Okay, I do pretty much everything. So hit me up. Hit me up on Instagram, on YouTube, however it is that y'all can get to me. And I really just thank y'all for watching this video. I really do appreciate all the love and support I'm getting. If y'all want to see anything particular, please let me know. And yes, I will see y'all soon.